Hi, I'm Heather McFall, owner of Lake Hypnosis here in Lady Lake, Florida, just outside of the Villages. This year at the NGH 2022 National Convention and Educational Conference in Marlborough, Massachusetts this August, we're all going to be live and together again. So please join me to help prevent client complaints, set them up for success. Now this is a 2-hour paid workshop and we'll be covering how to figure out what went wrong. This intensive 2-hour workshop is going to focus on 3 specific things: how to increase your client results, how to reduce client problems and complaints before they start, and third, the specific things you need to vaccinate against to prevent clients failing, backing out, or asking for their money back. So if you have any clients, and one is more than enough to prevent it happening again. If you have any clients that aren't getting as fast a result as you'd like, or wanting their money back, or not happy, or maybe they're just not even finishing. Do you have people that you think are pretty happy, but you haven't heard from them? Then maybe this is your workshop. This 2-hour intensive is going to make sure you're ready to go back home after the convention and see an immediate difference in your clients. I look forward to seeing you in Marlborough this August.